camera.
One eternity later.
Let's see, I can eat right here. Say hi. Hi.
Mimi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Don't eat.
Oh, no. Why'd you push me? It's your fault.
Destiny. No, this is lesser. Because there's not much car coming in and out. They start to melt right now. At least that pipe will start to melt. Get our water back. Trying to make a snowman here. Here, I need to fix your hair. You need to put your hair in the back, inside your jacket. This is doing her snowman. Say hi, wave your hands. Destiny. Here we go, melting a snow to para i-flush tong among tai sa Casilios. We don't have water. The pipe is frozen. So we'll see how this goes. This is the first time we're gonna do melting a snow and ice to have a water to flush the commode in the bathroom because
One eternity later.
well, this is what we got. It's not much for a whole pot of snow.
For a whole pot of poop. Done nothing.
There's not much water. So we gotta keep on doing this to have a full bucket of water.
Oh, look at that. Chunky one.
This is not enough at all.
For your
right?
chunky poop. Yeah, it's not enough. But all
Well,
the poop that is going to be going in this toilet.
I guess we're gonna keep on melting snow.
We are?
I don't know. But I
Why'd you
think
just say yes?
we'll see. Okay. This is our second batch of melting a snow, so we can have water.
For your poop.
Don't say that. Oh, this is sad. We don't have water. Okay, we'll see how it goes. We'll see if this is enough.
Which I don't think it will because I
Huh?
think you had a big turd.
You're such a... Don't say that. You don't have to say that. You know they can still hear you. What will you say about this snow melting? What can you say about snow melting? Huh?
Not food.
Is it fun or not?
Yes, it It is very funny.
No, it's not. We're cooking snow. It's not. It's no fun.
I would love to cook snow. It's amazing. You can even like drink it if you want to.
You drink, but I'm not.
No, I'm not eating it. I'm not drinking it because there could be germs, tiny whiny little worms, bacteria.
All right, let's see how this goes.
Yep.
How empty is this? Nothing. It's so empty here. No veggies, no nothing. Nothing right here. What?
Get Butterfingers for 98 cents.
Where's her cart?
Over there.
Ready?
Be on your phone.
Where are we going?